Here comes Kyle. Good one, bud. Here comes Maxie. Good one, buddy.
I got so much air.
I know, you did great, bud. Here comes Abby.
Oh, no.
Yeah, you need speed. Good one, baby. Love you.
I love you.
And here comes Papa. Whoa, what are you doing there? Going a little crazy. And Mr. Chris. How fun. This is our way home.